So did you ever wonder what a 904 GTS motor looked like?
Woo.
Look at this. Not only is it the original engine for the 904 GTS, you can put it in your house because previous owner made a coffee table out of it.
Yeah,
Pretty cool. I mean,
Wow.
it's just ridiculously
it's so good.
cool treat. And if you're going to have the original engine that's not in the car because that, again, $250,000 Capricorn engine is in it, here you go. This is the coolest way to display a car. You know, there's no doubt about the engine numbers. Everything is plainly visible. I think this is neat as hell.
I love the detail of the Weber above the glass, the Weber carburetors, and then clearly seeing the 587/3, which designates it as a competition 904 engine with the engine stamp, the original number stamp. I think it's such a great way to have something interesting for your man cave or your living room, and also something to say preserving an expensive thing
Yeah.
apart.
And if you're going to race the car, why blow up the original engine when you've got a spare motor in it? It's actually more horsepower, gruntier, crazier engine to drive the car with. And here's the original one right in your living room or your man cave.
Yeah,
and
you can display the 904 toolkit on there.
because let's face it, you're never going to use the tools. So you might as well put them right on top of the table.
Yeah, exactly. Nice piece to have.
Bonus.
Group E9.